Alright, so we're taking apart this engine today off this scrap tractor. So, wait, did I say we're taking the engine off or apart? No. So we're going to be taking, I have a crazy idea. We're going to be taking the lifters out of this mower and putting them in mine. If they're the correct lifters, obviously. Which they should be, because they're both Kohler commands. Here, give me a second. Because they're both Kohler commands, so hopefully this has the lifters I need. And if not, well, I get to spend a ton of money. Yay. Don't y'all love just spending a ton of money? I bet the adults do. So I'll try and keep you guys set up here the best I can. We have to use a breaker bar, so... Oh, that went well. Okay. There we go. Oh. Man, get Murphy out of here. Get Murphy out of here. Nobody wants him here right now. Okay, Holmes? Doing the other side of the engine right now. Am I connected on there? I believe so. Hey, who said you could sleep on the job? I do not remember saying you could go to sleep, Holmes. Who said that? I didn't say that. Who told you to go on break? Was it one of you? I'll bet this was one of yous. Oh, and you still didn't break it. Good job. There we go. By the way, if I get worried about my parts placement, I don't care about this engine. It's just gone. This engine's just scrap. Breaker bars make so much more things easier. Or I bet some of y'all call this a cheater bar. My brother does. Cheater bar. Alright, let me see where I can set you up. Actually, no, I'll just one-hand it the entire time. Wish I had some drills. Nice power drill. Just all of these off. That's about to be the most boring video I've ever made. Actually, I'm going to pause the video and see if I actually do have a drill inside. Found our 11-year-old D-wall drill. For how old this thing is, I think it's doing a good job. Woo, need to get me one of these. Woo, need to get me one of these. Oopsies. Am I correct? The head should just... The head should... There we go. I still don't want to drop the head, even though it's not good. Jeez, even the head gasket was... How does that even happen? Not questioning it. Alright, let's grab my magnet. I thought I had a magnet. So I use a magnet to get these lifters out. There's one, I'm gonna put you down so I can... Okay, so I have both the lifters out, and it's having some play it shouldn't. But I'm thinking, you see the hole? There's no oil in it. There's no oil in this. So that means, with no oil in there, they're not gonna have any, force, which I don't know if you guys know, which I just learned. The Kohler commands with their hydraulic lifters have to be hard to push, okay? They have to be hard for us humans to push at least. So, I need to get a bucket of 10W30 and put these in there with the holes facing up. I don't think I have to go overnight, but I think I'm gonna go overnight. So, hopefully these will work. And if not, well, I'm going to be down $35 for the new lifters. Also, tell me what you think about this, guys. So the manual transmission I put in this is an MTD manual transmission. It's one off this. This is transmission, and this is an MTD, I believe. Yeah, I think so. Doesn't MTD just own Pollen or something? Pollen, whatever. So, I was thinking, because I don't like MTD, I don't need to explain myself there why I don't like MTD. Don't need to explain myself right there. MTD. But I was thinking, because the transmission in this is a Sears. This is a Sears made in the United States. I was thinking, because this also has a 6-speed manual transmission, is that I could just take this one's transmission and stuff, and they don't look too different, but the only thing different about this one is it looks more solid. It looks better. It looks solid. I don't know what y'all think. Taking the transmission out of that and putting it in mine, I think I'm gonna do it, but later. I don't want to do it right now. I'm tired. All right. Yeah. Okay, I'll just leave this junk mower here, so thanks for watching.